Hi, I'm Scott from the Rio Grande Tech Team, and I'd like to share with you my #1 tip for breaking fewer saw blades at the bench. When you're sawing around corners, you want to make sure to move the piece and not the blade. So here I'm coming up to a corner, and I'm going to keep that blade in place, keep moving, and occasionally it'll catch a little bit. But I'm very carefully keeping my blade straight. I'm only moving the piece, and then I'm back on my line to keep going. If you move the blade rather than the workpiece, you can actually get a twisting of the blade, which will put a strain on it, and most likely it will break. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the full top 10 video, click the link above me, or you can find the link in the description below.